I'm sure you have seen these viral AI illusion images on many social media platforms. Making such illusion images is very easy using AI tools that I'm going to show you today. You can make such images in just one click. But how do you do it? Let's see how. Go to Google on your phone and type Hugging Face. Click on Hugging Face website. Once you landed in this website, scroll down and search for spaces. Under the spaces, search for this particular space, illusion diffusion. Once you click there, you will be diverted to that page. Once you are in the page, it's time for you to upload an image. Let's take an image of Mr. Beast and we want to convert this image to an illusion image. This strength indicates how correlated do you want your images to be. Then type in, for example, football stadium, and we want Mr. Beast photo from the football stadium illusions. Next, we click on done, and you will get a few errors, but the process is working and you can see that time elapsed out of the total times required. And now it's time for you to see the output. That's great. Now you can save this image by clicking on that particular button, save button, and that's done. I've included the link of the websites in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.